Hi, we are on math lesson number 9. We are going to start today with how many do you see? So I'm going to use this paper and cover that up. And I want you to look at that and tell me, how many do you see? Did you say 2? Can you show me 2 using your fingers? This is right. Is that 2? Is this 2? Remember, there's a lot of different ways we can show 2. Now, the next question is, how did you see them? Now, don't just tell me with your eyes. What do they look like on the paper? If I couldn't see it, where are those 2 dots? You could say the 2 dots are in a row. They're in a line. That line is called horizontal again, but you don't have to remember that. But they're in a straight line. All right, here's your next one. How many dots do you see? Did you say 3? Can you show me 3 using your fingers? There's 3. That was 4. 3, 3, 3. Now, here's the tricky part. How did you see them? Perhaps you saw a triangle. Maybe you said there were 2 on the top. Right, and 1 on the bottom. So there was a bunch of different ways you could say that you saw those dots. Now, we have a new story today for acting it out. Look at that guy. 3 little monkeys jumping on a bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." You probably heard that before. What is that story about? Was there a creature in that story? There were monkeys, weren't there? Do you remember how many monkeys there were? I remember 3, and then something happened. Right, one of them fell off the bed, didn't they? So listen to that story one more time. 3 little monkeys jumping on a bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now, we're going to use that story again tomorrow, so I just want you to think about what was happening in there. Now, the main part of our lesson, or the new part of our lesson today, is called, Are There Enough? So, what we're going to be doing is, oops, I'm missing one. Let's go with this one. Right here, I have 3 pencils. And in my hand, let's see if I can get my hand so you can see it. I have 4 erasers. Excuse me. So just to remind you again, I have 4 erasers and I have 3 pencils. Are there enough Are there enough pencils so every pencil gets an eraser? What do you think? So, if I give every pencil an eraser, 1, 2, 3, did I have enough pencils so every pencil got an eraser? I did not, did I? I needed how many more pencils? That's right. I would have needed one more pencil. And now I have enough erasers. So you could do this game at home. Maybe get out some spoons and forks and see, would every spoon get a fork? You could just grab some and see. You could play this game with your stuffed animals, maybe get out a few stuffed animals and then see, do you have enough bags of fruit snacks to give every stuffed animal a fruit snack? So we were looking today to see if there was enough. So if we have 3 pencils, but 4 erasers, there were not enough pencils, were there? So that's something that we're going to be practicing a lot. So I hope that was just kind of a good introduction for you. So we'll see you soon.